4.4 cubic foot perfect steam washer and 8 cubic foot perfect steam dryer from Electrolux bring you a powerful clean with powerful innovation. Featuring SmartBoost, this washer premixes water and detergent before the cycle begins, maximizing cleaning power and offering a thorough clean with the LuxCare wash system. Select the perfect steam option and Sanitize cycle for the toughest stains and deepest dirt. The LuxCare drying system with Predictive Dry uses precise sensors to protect your clothes from over-drying while providing optimum dryness. In a hurry? The 15-minute fast wash cycle quickly deep cleans the items you need the most, and the 15-minute fast dry setting will have you ready to go in no time. Ready to upgrade your washer and dryer? Learn more about this Electrolux washer and dryer combo at nfm.com or visit us in-store in Omaha, Kansas City, Des Moines, or the Colony, Texas, and talk to one of our product specialists. If you enjoyed this video, click the like button. And for more videos like this, be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching.